Wait, hold up. Oh, good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. Let's see. Mom, good morning. Good morning. Got something missing. Tyler, good morning. Yo, it's Friday, last trading day of the month. About to be on to June. Wilbert, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Got some stuff going on this morning. Wait, can I get another one? There we go. Frank, Grand Rising, top of the morning. Happy to see your return. Oh, look at that. The sun's out. Chelsea, Grand Rising, Master 3DRC. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, hope everyone is doing well. Grand Rising, Spy moving up pre-market. Hey, yeah, it's trying to recover. So if we actually here, let's go to like a 15-minute. So yo, the pre-market story of the Spy here. Today started. Okay, so right here, yeah, we had this little gap up on the Spy. And when I looked at the market today, I saw this right here. It was up at like 590.16. Then I look again because I get like an alert. Let me see if it's still there. It said something about, I don't know, Trump said something about China not honoring or like they're not following through on their like pre-deal agreements. And then we just sold off like this. I'm like, oh dang. But yeah, we're recovering now. Mostly because we got like all the data we got pre-market was good. We get consumer sentiment 30 minutes in. How's your Joby? So I was looking at Joby this morning. Should be nice. Should be ready. Like if we can stay here, I'm gonna take profit at open. Like, hey, I'm here for it. It could probably sell some more, but no, I'm trying to get this bread. I'm not trying to not trying to get left. We just hope this doesn't happen again. Like it was like right here before market open yesterday, and then it just like took off, made another high. Then it came back, but it was like it didn't come back the same. So here, actually, yeah, I need to let the family know. I'll probably take profit on that at open. Let's see. D Scurv, good morning. 6 like, tick, 6 like. Hey, good morning, M Sense. Good morning, Evil Knievel. Oh, shoot. Hey, what's up, baby? My wife has made it to the chat. She probably can't hear a word I'm saying, but the wife has made it to the chat. Keanu, what a good one, or good morning. Hey, let's get into it. All right, let's see. Chidi, good morning. All right, let's see. I was about to alert the family. Here, let's see. Grab some QQQ at end of the day because of the tariff situation. Will you? Hey, there's no telling what's going to happen. Because we got some news pre-market. We got, it can go both ways. Right now we're in a range here. We'll pull up 2 charts for now. So we got the SPY right here. We got the Qs right here. Let's zoom on in. You grabbed a put. I mean, it's down a little bit, but barely. I'm not really. I don't think it's gonna come like. Honestly, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Like we saw the conviction I had yesterday. The market just hey, it just trying to destroy us. I'm still like bullish, but we're below this trend line. So I wanna if we can't get above this like with some quickness, then we're probably coming down. Christine, good morning. Danielle, good morning. Natasha, good morning. All I'm saying is a spot. Oh, why is it? Why does that keep happening here? Let me refresh it. I don't know why the. Let's see. I'm over here doing all this. Bro, what is up with this? Oh, I might need more room, maybe. Oh, there we go. That's part of the problem. Bro, how do I fix this? I used to here. Y'all give me a second. It used to let me like change the video source. See if I can add another one. I don't know how to fix it without like cutting the stream. Wait, that's phone? Oh, I can change. Hold up. I can change it. Hold up. Think. Bro. This is acting up. This software like isn't working. It'll let me take it and move it around, but it won't let me like refresh it. This is a problem, y'all. I might have to stop and start again. Yeah, because I was having a little problem like towards the end of the day yesterday. He said, "Have I tried turning it off and on again?" That's probably what's gonna have to happen because it's acting up. Like here's the oh wait, video off, video on, but I need to actually click on it and change the properties, but it's not accepting. It's not accepting it. So y'all, I might have to we might have to cut the stream real quick or see if I can exit. All right, so yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna cut the stream real quick and then try to get it going again. Yeah, give me a second. I'll see y'all in a moment. All right, so I'm not sure if is this the same stream? Hey, if y'all are still on the same stream, let me know. Looks like we can see everything. I'm seeing new chats coming in, so I'm guessing it didn't like completely kill the stream. I guess the switch was fast enough to bring it back. Oh, cool, cool. All right, cool. Bet. Yeah, I was thinking I was gonna have to set everything up again. Okay, market's open. Let me real quick go take some profits on Joby. Hey, real quick, bring Joby up. All right, where's Joby? Bro, it's only. Bro, it already popped back up. Bro, this is a scam. This is a straight up scam. That's a that don't even make sense. Bro, 2 days in a row. I know y'all heard me talking about like, yo, it better not just take off again. All right, let me see what I can get for it though. So, the bid and the ask. Yeah, cuz I'm not trying to just sit around in this. Wait, how much did I buy this for? I paid 45 for it. Yeah, I'm just trying to get out of here. It's crazy that it's in the money. Still got like a week on it. Can't even get filled on it. Here. So I'm gonna try to get filled on it. We'll see what happens. See if they come back down. But yeah, they're coming back down. Okay, I got filled. Yeah, I took $5 profit on that Joby. I'm just ready to be done with that. Let me alert the family real quick. Just took profit on Joby puts. Sold out at 50 per share. Don't like the way this moves. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see. We'll go back up to 4 charts. All right, so here, let's see. Good morning. Let's see. Video Realo. You say y'all ready to consolidate? Top of the morning, C Smooth. Top of the morning, Matt. Hey, top of the morning, Henry. Good morning, Kareem. Good morning, my life be like. Here, let's turn this off. Yeah, we'll see what we do today. Consolidation is, hey, that's very well something to do. Let's take a quick look on the monthly chart, see where we are. All right, so this is hey, it's a green month. It's the last day of the month, last trading day of the month. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. Let's see. Good morning, Isaac. Good morning, George. Good morning, Evil Knievel. Okay, let's see. You said I'll be first like this time. Lucky J, happy Friday. Derek, good morning. Cool. All right. Good morning, Chef Nick. What's the effect of being the last? Sometimes you'll just see weird moves. Like sometimes things will be balanced out. Sometimes things will just be moved in a large way. So it's just something to be aware of. All right, so we're selling off a little bit right now. Here, let's bring this to like a 15 as well. Ricky Ron, good morning. And Bills, good morning. All right, so Nvidia is coming to that support. All right, so they're testing that support. Let's see if they sweep. There's some liquidity like right here, but they are in a downtrend, so they could just keep pushing. This is the same stream. Qs and Fubo, how much are we going to drop? We'll have to see. The Qs is still in this range, so right now the Qs is like support is going to be 515.74 on the Qs. And Fubo hit that trend line. And yeah, right now it's bouncing off that trend line. So if Fubo doesn't get below that, could be going up. Palantir's running up. Oh, is Palantir finally making this move? Okay. Hey, we said Palantir was going to get a large move here pretty soon. Let's go up to a higher time frame. Here, so Palantir still has like they kind of made like this little, almost like something like this. So let's see if they can get above that. Here, we got this little trend line on Palantir. Let's yeah, I'll watch this for now. See if they can actually confirm above it or not. It's like I may be down to play. Throw some of that Joby into some upside on Palantir for. Wait, actually, let me check the day trades. I might not have them. Oh no, I do. But yeah, right now I just gotta wait, be patient. Down 100 on my Google call today. Yeah, I think everything would have been fine if it weren't for what was it? I don't know. They're definitely hitting us with the 1-2 when it comes to the stock market news. They're definitely like hitting it with us or hitting us with it. It's almost like you gotta pick a direction, commit, and just wait a little bit. But it has been going up more than it's been going down. Have you put in any trade? No, I have not put any trades other than taking profit on Joby. Yeah, I was not a fan of that Joby trade. Nuza, good morning. And I'm doing well. How about you, man? All right. Pulling back a little on Palantir. Hey, honestly, this could be a range bound kind of day. We'll see. All right, so let's pull up something else. PCE is elevated a little bit on the day. Oh no, it hadn't even refreshed yet. All right, so AMD, they look like they broke this trend line to the downside. Well, that honestly looks like a lot of things here. Let's see. All right, so actually, hey, just to protect myself a little bit, let me see. So I got that call on the SPY, right? But I see that we're below a trend line. I think I'm gonna go for a move that's similar to that what I had told Matt yesterday. I'm just gonna get an extra week. So I just grabbed an AMD 104 put just in case things get nasty. So now I'm not worried. If we go up, that SPY call I have from yesterday, this one right here, which is already down. If we go up, this will probably outpace. If we come down, I just picked up a put on AMD that expires next week. And if we do nothing, I'll still be all right today. But like right now, it looks like we should come down. So I just picked this one up. So yeah, let me alert the family on that. Oh, it's already up. Yeah, let me alert the family real quick. Because it's already up like 8 cents since I said that. Just grabbed what is it? 104 AMD put expiring the 6 paid. What was it? 62 per share. All right, let's see. Yeah, the AMD, yeah. But AMD also is at a level of support right now already. But yeah, it's like I could see things getting nasty. So we'll have to see. But you look at NMAX, I was looking at a call. Wait. NMAX was looking at a call, but the bid ask is here, let me see. Once again, this, to me personally, this does not look like something to go for like shorter. Actually, I don't know. Shorter term options to the upside don't really seem that good. But oh yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. This so one thing you'll also want to pay attention to is the open interest, whenever you see open interest like that, that pretty much shows whenever you get in a trade, there's not going to be anyone to buy it from you. So you're going to be stuck in the trade. That's why the bid to ask is nasty like that. There's like one person, if any, that are really holding the contracts to buy or sell. Just grabbed one too. Hey, happy early birthday, Chef Nick. Hey, it's birthday pregame. Yo, let's go. I have never seen a rant. Wait. Oh, a spread like that? Oh yeah, I have, but yeah, it's like it's really bad whenever there's not like when there's no one else in the contract. Yeah, they can really manipulate the price. On dealing with big losses, what's some of your coping mechanism? How do you just let go and move on? So when it comes to letting go and moving on, I have to first, like, I don't know, depending on how bad it is, I might just have to like step away from it first. But typically it's like first I want to know what went wrong. Then I want to have like some kind of like protective action. I'm like, oh, what could I have done with the money? Like, it's like a lot of times something I defer to and like think about. I'm like, oh, I could have done this. I could have invested in stocks. It's like I was trying to make money faster with the options, but had I just invested in some stocks, that would have done a lot better too. And it's like, okay, so now it's like, oh, going ahead, I will make sure I'm investing the equal amount into stocks, if not more, because they're more consistent. And then also just like just the fact that it's like, okay, I can make this money back. Money is kind of infinite. They print it every day. Just like all these things, it's like I tell myself, hey, I paid all this money for college. It's an expensive lesson. Tell myself I have the ability to learn and grow. And it's honestly, this is positive self-talk. Kind of looking ahead to the future, thinking about ways that I can help myself, thinking about like how great of a story I'm going to be able to tell whoever about this, and really just the thought of looking at future me. And then also, it's like if you really want to feel better, there are people who have lost far, far more than what you have. And they're still somehow kicking just fine. So it's just one of those things. It's like as time moves on, it gets a little easier, assuming you're not continuously doing it. Good morning. I'm a little late. Anything I missed? Nothing major. Looks like we're just selling off a little bit right now. Hey, D-Curve, there's your 3 candles on a 5 minute, but that's just a 5 minute. Oh no, it's not gonna last. Not gonna last. Internet just went down. Anyone please let me know where I'm at with my puts, Fubo, and so let's see where Fubo is. All right, Fubo's trading at 361. Fubo should be moving up right now. And you said QS, so let's Uh, that should make progress. I know they're down from when you entered. QS is down at 398. Appreciate that. I play Roblox. Are you thinking we're going to reverse back to upside, or honestly, Elegant Boom? I'm kind of playing both ways. Right now, we're in this range. I would like to think, honestly, I lean on us like coming down and breaking this, but honestly, I would not throw it out of the window for us to reverse back as well. So I really want to see how we take this low. Matthew dropping gems today. Hey, appreciate that. It's like no, but honestly, if you think about it for real, it's like if you the one thing I look at too is like if you're able to hold out and like still pay your debt, assuming you're not racking up more, it becomes easier to pay debt. Like say you borrowed like $1,000 like 5 years ago. $1,000 5 years ago is a lot more than $1,000 today. So it's like there was a point in time when it may have taken you like days or maybe like a week or two to pay off $1,000, but it's like some instances you can make that in a day, or you can make that in an hour, whatnot. Just because like if you look at inflation, it's like some people's wages have increased, and it's like, oh, I can pay that off in one check. Why am I still making payments on that? And it's all just because it's like, hey, money is cheaper now, so it's like paying off old debts that are still the same numbers. It's like the value of what it is now is like, I don't know. Like that example, like that yesterday I was talking about how I have a camera that I paid like $700 for. Now it's just or now it's going for just under $1,000. Usually they go down in value, but because of like what's going on with money and tariffs and whatnot, it's worth more. But the actual value the camera provides is still the same. So that's something I like look at. I'm like, over time it gets easier to pay as long as you're not adding to it. What about screening stocks for sharp moves up or down? So George, that is something that can be done. The only thing about that is the quality of the stocks. It's like especially if you're trying to trade options. Um, if it's not like a quality stock, it's the reversals. If it's not a quality stock, the options are going to be garbage for it. Like my those Joby contracts I had, they like barely moved. Like I made $5 profit on it, but I think they were at least like, oh, when I sold it, I think they were about at least 25 cents in the money. I should have had more than $5 profit. I know like there's some time had passed, but the theta wasn't that high. Okay, back on. Hey, once again, Matt, that's going to come to you on whether or not you should get out. It's like, but right now it does look like Fubo is pushing upward. But yo, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. Been hydrating too much. I'll be right back. Let's see. Do you think Google will break support? Do y'all think Google will break support, y'all? I think it kind of comes down to I think if the spy and Google break, or if the spy and the Qs break support, I think Google's going to break support. I think Google's going to do the same thing everything else does. He said, water the flowers. Need flow max. Oh, let me see what that is. All right, stopped out a TQQQ put from yesterday. Stopped out of the one I bought this morning. Now I'm back in 3 times. All right, so they pulled back to support, kind of. Let's go back down to oh, I am on a 15. Let me see what we're looking. Let me throw this 48 EMA, or not 48. Let's see where this 200 is too. All right, so on the 48, oh yeah, we are crossed to the downside. Honestly, we could continue on. Let's see. Yeah, we're still chilling below that 200 too. Yeah, I would say if we go either way, we're probably going down, but yeah, we'll have to see. On that 5, we're coming straight down pretty much. But that PCE is rising, so I'm also doubtful that they'll just let it keep falling and make it easy like that. Palantir hit that like resistance in that range, and they're here. Let me run up to a 4-hour on that real quick. Extend that out. Elevator down, stairs going up, puts her. Nah, for real. Kinda. I'll say if you had them on the SPY, movement's not too crazy. I guess it depends on when you got them. Hold up, we should be getting some data right now. Okay, we got consumer sentiment. Should have just been released. A little better than what was forecasted. A slight improvement. All right, so it looks like this candle is a little green. We could see some upside movement from here actually with that. Let's see. Okay, pushing. Yeah, that's a strong candle. Okay. All right. Yeah, so that candle is oh yeah, MSense, that's from consumer sentiment that just came in. It came in good. We'll see if it's enough to like continue the push up or if it's just gonna die and get faded out. But yeah, we're pushing up from that a little bit. Yeah, pushing on up. The market wants to go up more than it goes down. Here, let me take a look at Nvidia real quick. All right, so Nvidia would have been one that was didn't really pay attention to it, but here, let's see on the 15 real quick. Oh yeah, they completely confirmed down here. But they also have a trend line as well down here that they could pull back and touch if they want to come back to like 135 or anything. They could show some more upside after that. All right, so yeah, we're pushing up, trying to push up a little bit. That's a pretty bullish candle. Not as much on Nvidia. Nvidia looks like it's dying, but hey, support may be support for the day. Still a little early to call out for the day, but it might be support. We got 50 seconds left on this candle. It's gonna be a Friday. What happened to Gap? They beat earnings by like 6 cents, but went down a lot. So when it comes to earnings, especially in situations like right now, a company like Gap, what's going to be important is going to be their guidance. They probably didn't really have any guidance to give. And if they did, it probably was negative. So because of that, it's probably down. Gap brands show further improvement, but tariffs bring complications. So it's likely things aren't looking as good for it ahead because of tariffs. So stock prices typically price in the future as opposed to what is or what has been. So that's likely what happened with Gap. All right, so we're pushing up. Yeah, pushing back up. We'll have to see what today provides. But family, while we're here, I'm just realizing today's Friday, or I'm not just realizing it's Friday, but I know it's Friday, lower volume. People like to roll out earlier because today's not really, we don't usually get as good of volatility on Friday. So with that being said, I would like to remind you that there is, just below the video, there's a button, there's an icon. It's shaped like a thumb, right? It's referred to as the like button. We call that the like button, or it's a little thumbs up, something like that. And what that does is it actually saves the chat and allows us to spend another day free on the stream. And oh yeah, I see some of y'all smashing the like button. We blasted from we were in the 50s. Now we're up at 62. But my spidey senses. Oh, somebody removed one. Okay, we're playing those games. All right, bro. You said, nah, bro, I'm not checking your. I think it was you, wasn't it, Matt? Matt pulled it away. Oh, it's okay. Now I don't even realize. I don't even realize now because everybody else came through. But what I'm saying is, there's about 34, at least 34 of you that'll come through here, chilling, listening to the sound of my voice. Have not smashed a like. Hey, all that we ask. Hey, smash that like button. Save the chat. All right. Hey, blast it up to 71. So, hey, y'all are out there. Appreciate y'all, family. Hey, 29 more, 28 more, and we're safe. All right. So we're back in about the middle of the range for the day. Go ahead, and if you're here, hit the like button. Don't be a lurker. Yeah, not trying to get us to Alcatraz. All right, let's see. Wait, that's AMD. I was trying to look up here at SPY. Oh, we kind of got a little bit of a downtrend here too. Maybe let's try like this, maybe. Let's see how that holds up. I don't know. Try the same with the Qs. I still think we're coming down on like AMD. I think that might be a good swing. I could see I was getting a retest, but I think we're coming down. Will Palantir break above 125 today? Here, let's. Oh shoot! Okay, it's back. Hey, it's back. Let's see. What's your opinion on buying leaps? I have some money saved and they seem to be profitable. So my opinion on buying leaps is, honestly, just take a higher time frame, right? I think they're profitable if you pick them up in a demand zone on a higher time frame. So some stocks it might need to be the monthly chart, some stocks it might be the weekly chart, but if you see like here, let's find this stock. You want to find something that has like a clear, clean movement. Like, honestly, UNH. Is this here? Let's go to like a monthly on UNH. All right, so on UNH, you can see they got like a solid little uptrend. Actually, let's see. Oh, let me find something else. I want to find something a little more. Actually, I feel like Palantir has a good chart. Where's Palantir? Oh, it's right there beside this, but or maybe actually Netflix. All right, so yeah, we got Netflix right here on a weekly chart. There is likely a day when Netflix will come back to 950. And all I'm doing to see that is I'm just looking at, like, you can see right here on the weekly, you have all these blue candles. All this is like one single range on the weekly. And what I would do if I were trying to look for leaps, I would just highlight the last bearish candle before then, and maybe the low before it. This whole area right here, this is where you're good to pick up leaps. Get like a year of time. And you don't have to spend a year of time in it, but it's like usually like right here, say this is a 950 or whatever, say it costs 5,000 for the leap. You're already at break even by the time it's moved to 1,000. Once you get like your halfway move, it's probably up over 100%. So I would say like doing something like that, that's probably some money right there. I think leaps are good. They just require patience and like more capital. And a lot of times with people starting out, it's like hard to combine. Like it's like maybe they just saved up the capital and now it's like they don't have the patience. But Palantir looks like it might want something. I'm watching it on the 5 minute. If Palantir wants to confirm on the 5, I might go for a little something. You look at the options just in case. All right, so we're pushing up on the SPY. SPY is moving towards resistance. I would like to see. Hold on. Let's see. Can you show us the stocks that you're invested in? I can tell you. Like if you're talking invested in, I'm invested in SoFi, Google, AMD. What else on here? I'm invested in Estee Lauder, Nike. Still have a little PayPal somewhere. I don't know where, but I still have it somewhere. IonQ. Dang. IonQ pulled back. Honest. Okay, hold up. Okay, Palantir. About to get that candle close. Last trade of the month. Let's see how it turns out. All right, so we got that first candle close above. Now I want to see this candle. All right. I got stopped out TQQ third time. Now I got to go to breakfast with my. Hey, have a happy birthday to your wife. Okay, Palantir looks like it's right. Okay, Palantir they're going crazy now. Dang, the contract I was watching just like doubled, bro. Like it was like $50. It's $100 now. All right, I'm gonna go for. Actually, hold up. Let me give it a second to like kind of let's see if we can get a. Bro, it's going. Bro, that's insane. That contract I was looking at already. Dang. It's 3x. Okay, this is that move I was talking about after the. Bro, what's going on? It's so annoying how they just rip it like that, bro. They gotta. This is. Hey, we knew it was coming, but it's annoying how they just do it like that. Come on, bring it back for a second. All right, I got my contract I'm looking at. Like this is the confirmation candle, but they're going a little too crazy with the confirmation candle. Like chill it out, chill it out. That contract I was looking at is in the money now. It would have. Oh, it's already up 200%. I'm annoyed a little bit, just a little bit. And let me drop down to like a two. I think there will be a chance for a retest. Or here, let's go to like a three. 3 minute. Or no, we'll just go to a one actually. This thing is running. Let me see if there's any news anywhere. Let me check ground news. All right, let's see. Might get paid today. Oh yeah, gotta hate when the conference. Yeah, yeah. I just hope we get like a 1 minute pullback. Cause I'm trying to use a zero DTE. Okay, all right, cool. Let me see what this five's looking like. Okay, yeah, sell it off a little bit, just a little, or I'm not just a little bit, but yeah, go on, sell it off. Just yeah, I'm cool with that. There we go. What's this looking like on a 5 minute? Oh, that is a 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah, what's going on? Okay, let me look at these contracts. All right, so I grabbed one. Think like right in here. Oh no, I didn't. No, I didn't. It took off too fast. Can I get filled? It's trying to get filled at a price lower than what I was trying to get it filled in. Let me put in a market order. All right, so I'm in. I think like up here actually. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. I got a $30 call that expires today. So I'm a prepare myself to throw on a stop loss. All right, yeah, I'm already up 10. So, okay, I'm up like 33% on it. I can't share this with the family. It's moving too fast. Cause I'm about to throw my first stop loss on already. Let's see. Trade, sell, stop market. What I pay like I think I paid 57. So let me make sure I at least get stopped in profit. All right, so I should at least get profit. It's not much if I do, but I'm stopped in profit. I'm still trying to ride it. All right, let's see. Hold up, where there are hops, skip and a jump away. What do you think of Disney for a call? I would have to look. I'm sorry. I'm like a little occupied by Palantir. Palantir looks like they're kind of the move right now a little bit. Yeah, Palantir's up like 4.5% on the day, whereas everything else is nothing is moving like Palantir is today. Or BBAI is up like 5%. Oh, they're trying to come stop me out. Ah, dang, I got stopped out. They stopped me out. Okay. They're probably still gonna push it up too. So I took profit on it. It just all right, that's that. Yeah, I'm gonna feel bad seeing this run up. All right, look. You said that's wild. I had Netflix when it was $10, and so that's crazy. Looking at the trend, looks like Palantir. Yup, happens. Honest. Uh, might get paid. Okay. If Palantir. Oh, since I thought you rolled out already. If Palantir doesn't retest, it'll come down like it went out. Oh, there's news. Here, let me see. I didn't even get around to seeing the news. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see if I can add Palantir to something I'm interested in on here. There we go. Let's see. Nah, they hadn't flagged anything on here yet. Going to get out of Fubo when I can get even on QS. Will you look at it towards the end of the day? Wait, what do you mean? When I can get even? What do you mean? Oh, will look like towards the end of the. There's no telling what. Like I don't know how to tell what a stock is gonna where it's gonna be at the end of the day. There's like no telling. Yeah, QS looks like it hit kind of its support area. Its support area was 394. So if I had to guess, I would imagine it's not going to be much lower, or I don't think it's going to really go up in value anymore. If I had to assume, they're helping with the Fannie Mae resurrection. Oh, okay. Whoa, sir, don't speak this. It's probably going to continue to push up. Honestly, it's like yeah, it'll probably push up. Here, let's see. I play Roblox. You said ads are on Swole today. So I think if they're on Swole, it's because I didn't like. I've been changing it to conservative. I think I forgot to change it today. So I think it's on like the. Here, I'm not sure if I can show you. Let me see. I normally can change. Oh, here, look. I can show you real quick. So like over here, like when it comes to like the ads and stuff, there's like a monetization settings, and if I don't do anything, it's gonna be on balance. I can change it to conservative. I'm not sure it's gonna affect it while we do it, but that's kind of if I don't do that before the stream starts, I guess you see more ads. But yeah, I showed y'all yesterday how much I make from doing this. It doesn't really even make a difference, honestly. Let's see. Hims is moving. Okay, there goes Palantir again. I might have to get something for next week. Honestly, that's what I should have done. With what D Scurb just said. Hold up. Let me see if I can get something out of the money. All right, so I just grabbed like a 144 call, and I paid $58 for it, or 58 per share. And we'll kind of let it do what it does. All right, everyone. Just grabbed a, what is it? PLTR. Let's say 144 call expiring June 6. Paid 58 per share. There we go. Oh, let me also, there we go. Okay, let's see. Palantir, new defense contracts. Hey, top of the morning, Henry. Internet going out on me, kind of screwed. It's no fun. If I'm up, if I'm in the stock, it'll be down. If I'm out, it'll be up. I think it just comes down to timing, honestly. So it's like I would encourage you to ask yourself, what makes you get in a trade? It's like a lot of the times that you see it's going up, it's like, oh, let me get in. And then it's like whenever it's like, oh, it's going down, let me get out. So that's why having a plan kind of implemented like beforehand pays off a little bit more, because it's like you can stick to the plan because it's going to go up and go down. So it's going to be trying to get you in every direction. I was going to say that differently, but I know Matt would have had a comment to say, so I had to say it like that. Tatiana, good morning. Buddha good morning. Did I sell the SPY call? No, I'm holding it in case we go crazy, because it's like we came to support, we kind of held up at support, and I know how the market is. It has like a tendency to go up. So it's like I have some downside like on AMD. Like AMD looks like it'll be good if we move to the downside, but otherwise, we'll just kind of it'll just kind of do its thing. I haven't had many ads on mine. I don't know. I guess YouTube be choosing who is gonna serve the ads to and how it's gonna serve the ads to them. But I got like a couple other YouTube accounts. It's like I know what it's like to get ads. Honestly, it's not like too bad. It's chill. It's chill. Spy moving up. Yeah, let it move up. I think I benefit more to the upside than to the downside. So if we want to run up, let's go crazy. Let's go back for 198 or that 598 we were at yesterday. I'm here for it. Oh, Matt. Oh, Matt. Okay. All right, so we're pushing up, pushing on up. Oh yeah, we crossed this little trend line a while ago. Honestly, we didn't even, or I guess you could say we did. So honestly, I would have targeted this liquidity, but there was a little liquidity right here we kind of swept to on a lower time frame. What's this, a 5? Let's go to a 15. See. Yeah, still kind of there. Here, let me add these contracts I picked up. So what I got, what was it? I got the AMD. I just picked up, what did I just pick up? Oh, I picked up a Palantir. It was like 144. Yeah, I want y'all. We're gonna watch and learn from this contract today. So as we got in, the delta's like 11 as of right now, or I guess it's like below 10 now. But yeah, we're gonna watch this and we're gonna kind of track it, see how it moves as Palantir moves. Also, at top of the morning. Where are you thinking, Palantir? They got a they could, so I don't know if you were on the call. Wait, hold on. I don't. So I know you were on the stream yesterday, but I don't know if you were on the Zoom call. But we were one of the things we talked about is how Palantir has been consolidating since the 13th of May. All this is consolidation, and there is a large move on the horizon for it. It's like we were saying, we don't know what it is, but all this liquidity is charging up for a large move. And it looks like we're beginning our large move. This liquidity is on a 4 hour, so honestly, I would imagine this move can push us to new all-time highs. And with Palantir, you don't know how high it's going to go, so I would think we could at least take out this high right here at 133.44. But we'll just kind of see what the market kind of allows. All right, so looking at the SPY on a 5 minute, we just got the EMAs crossed to the upside. That's kind of bullish, even if we're pulling back a little bit right now. That's bullish. We'll see if we can get that on some higher time frames. Alani, good morning. Almost 6%. I think he was going for like a double on Tundra. I play Roblox. I'm not even, but if I'm being real, I'm not even sure he owns any Pepe. So I have no idea. I'll have to see. So I'm down on that Palantir call now. But yeah, Palantir is doing this thing. We'll give it some time today. The market's doing this thing too. I'm more than okay with AMD just kind of going somewhere to just lay down and oh, you have that many? 1 point. How much is that going for? How much is an individual Pepe? All right, so we got Palantir pushing, making new highs. The call doesn't appear to be doing the same. Okay, it's back to break even. Or no, actually, or it's back to break even for me. It's a little below right now. So yeah, Palantir. I bought into some. I guess I bought into some IV. We'll see if it lives on. SoFi moving back up. Let's see what's up with the SoFi. Okay, SoFi still kind of in this range. Yes, D-Scurv. That's what we want. We want the. Yeah, it's scary whenever it just goes straight up, because it's like, yo, when it's got to pull back, but it's like, yo, what pace is going to pull back at? But also, like, this is a 5-minute chart, so I would like to see this a little steeper. But yeah, if we can close above this high over here, I'm cool with it. Oh, okay, all right. Well, Matt's a millionaire. What do you? Yeah, I see you're a millionaire. So, hey, feel free to share some of the wealth, man. I'm here for it. Tesla trying to come back up. Hey, if everything wants to come back up, we are here for it. Yeah, Tesla. Oh, yeah, Tesla. Actually, yeah, kind of. They broke their little range on the day. So, yeah, ever since they confirmed, like over here, yeah, they're up like another 3 or 4. So, yeah, that's why I was saying, like, I was leaning towards downside, but I was like, yo, you know how the market is. So it's like, yo, it's like buy all the dips right now. Does Robinhood let you put a nope? They might on if you're not talking about options, they might on shares, but on options they for sure do not. All right, so doing a little consolidation right now. What's the best way to instantly get out of options trades? Have I done a video on how to like set a market order with options trades? I'm not sure. But if you're in an option, what you would want to do is you would want to make sure it's a market order. I'm not sure if I can actually. I guess it doesn't give me the option. But yeah, essentially you would do a market order. Usually it's on a limit order. If you do a market order, it'll fill instantly at whatever price it is. I've been thinking about UNH, haven't pulled the trigger yet. Hey, let's see. Honestly, like UNH, like if you're looking leap wise and it's below like 300, honestly, even right now, it still looks fine to me. If you got that patience, I think something will eventually happen where it'll have its run. You gotta have that patience. You're very welcome, Daniel. Okay, look at Palantir go again. Let's get it, Palantir. Bro, I'm still like, there was a point I had like 200 shares of Palantir, and my average was like $14. Let's see. Well, it's going at like, they're going for about 129. Look at Palantir go. Let's get it. 45 ACP usually does the trick. Yeah, I have no idea what you're talking about. ACP. What is support on the SPY? Support for the day was like it was down here like 585.64. Well, that's where the wick was, and then there was some more above here like 586.57. On this time frame, it's showing support at about 589.27. Yeah, we're pushing on Palantir, pushing on Tesla. I've learned to take profit around consolidation, lost too many bouts. Hey, it's a good place to do it. It is a good place to do it whenever you see that consolidation. Oh, okay. There y'all go. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, Palantir pushing up. Hey, let's get it. All right, let's check the delta real quick. All right, so the delta, it was at 11 earlier. Notice as it gets closer to the money, this delta is increasing. So now it's at like 12 something. To get out of an options trade, prior military jokes. Oh no, yeah, trust me, I know military can get could get dark. Hey, we pushing up on Palantir though. All right, so yeah, once again we crossed to the upside. We're retesting the trend line, so or not trend lines, EMA. So you would think we could find more life here if this trend is going to continue. This would be where it would come from. Yeah, Palantir going a little bit. Spy still trying to sell off. We need the SPY to hold up here. Need the Qs to hold up there as well. I think Palantir hits one thing. Hey. Yeah, I would like to see it hit that higher. Honestly, let me take another look at Palantir real quick. Yeah, that's up 24%. And I can get a free trade if I want to. If Palantir keeps going, I might have to do that. Cause I don't have day trade, so I will have to make it free. But yeah, it looks like I can get like a $2 spread if I want for free right now. Yeah, we might just stay in the range for the SPY and the Qs though. For now. Took the same Palantir trade as you and also took a UNH call. Yeah, Palantir is moving. How much time did you get on the UNH? Oh yeah, the Palantir up a good 32%. Yeah, that Palantir looks beautiful. Thanks for bringing that back to my attention, D-Scurv. Yeah, because after we bounced off here, hey, we kind of got like almost a retest of this other level too. Yeah, but the thing running. I'm riding, not driving. Anyhow, wasted my money on TQQQ. Now I only have one Palantir buy. Yeah, shout out to D-Scurv for that one. Yeah, definitely would have slipped my mind, but there was definitely more attention to be had on it with all the consolidation it's had. All right, it's about to test 130. Let's go Palantir. Bro, honestly, today would have been one of those days that really paid off if I got in that one contract. I was looking on this candle, that 128 was going for like 50 cents per share. That 0 DTE. Yeah, that thing is not enough time. I'm sure it was probably expensive though, the UNH. Here, let's take a quick look at UNH. Let's see the potential of it running in that time. Yeah, so similar to what Palantir was doing, UNH is charging up for a larger move as well. You see all this wick and then all this consolidation. So yeah, there is a larger move coming. Which way? That is the question. Because it did leave some liquidity down here, but it is, if you go to like let's see, on the daily, still oversold. See what it's looking like on the weekly. Yeah, it's still oversold on the weekly too. I don't know about the monthly. Oh, it's getting there on the monthly, but oversold on the daily and the weekly. Look at Palantir go. Let's get it. All right. You think it can get video real? What are you talking about? Getting a quick put in and out on. Got in on UNH, got stopped out before. Hey, be like that. Joby's at 8. Yeah, that's something I saw I saw the potential for that coming. I was just like, no, I'm not trying to play these games. I didn't like the way it was moving for that. Of course, that meta put is going in my favor. Hey, that's how the market likes to work. Pay 155 for 350. Oh, that's a run, but hey, it can happen. It's like watching SpaceX. Hey, well, SpaceX needs to fly higher. Let's get it, Palantir. Palantir quick push scalp. Um, my question would be where do you look for that? I mean, you can try to draw a trend line on this, but right now it's like almost like straight up. Or maybe you can try from like here. See if it breaks that. That would be like a very quick scalp. But yeah, it's like straight up right now. Like it's still stringing the 15 candles or 15-minute candles. So I would say do that on at your own risk. Like I wouldn't even. That's not even relevant to me. All right, so we got a little pullback on the market coming in. What we're looking at over here. Let me see what let me check in on it. AMD again. Oh, it's still chilling. But still in the downtrend. Still in the downtrend. All right, so SPY and the Q still trying to hold up right now. Still trying. All right, so pushing back up a little bit on the SPY. Pushing back up on the Qs. Still trying to do the run on the Palantir. Let me go up to the 30 on Palantir. See if we. Oh, yeah, we're still chilling. Let's go 15-minute. Man, Palantir is full of surprises, man. Oh yeah, it's pushing now past that 130. Look at it go. The delta on that Palantir call we were looking at is now at 14. 14.5. Pushing on up. Yeah, let's take a look at the IV as well. All right, so the implied volatility is like 64 as well. All right, got in at 143 right after you at 61, delta at 17. Nice. You got the 143? Nice. Hey, appreciate the little delta report as well. Kind of looks like on the SPY and the Qs like we're about to come back down though. Got a 160. If for some reason like we have like some kind of crazy gap up and you swing over the weekend, yes, but otherwise, no. It's like it's possible. And I'm gonna say if it's possible for a stock, it's like Palantir would be one of the stocks that like, oh dang, this thing can really go crazy. But I'm gonna say the odds are very low on that, Daniel. But I'm not gonna fully say no. Honestly, we got a good range on the market today. You're a special child. Let's see. Your child is popping. Oh well, actually, it's still range bound. So the range is looks like the range is from about 2763 down to like 2730. I would want to see the I would want to see it hold above the like this 2763 area. I would like to see a complete candle closure above that. So until it like actually closes above that, it's like I'm a little hesitant. Palantir still pushing. So we're up 55% on that. The delta is at 15 now. All right. Just sold my Palantir calls in the money. Hey, good stuff, Kareem. Hey, we love to hear it. Love to hear it. Kareem getting money. We all trying to be like Kareem out here. All right, so it's up 72%. And now the delta's at 16 cents per share. Here, let's see. And 7 delta, $13. DT. Honestly, yo, I think this is where It's at. I think the call I had earlier was for like 131 on Palantir. There it goes. That would have hit. I still would have had plenty of time too. But hey, it is what it is. Just scalping. So the Palantir contract, this is it right here. So I got in like a couple dollars before, but it's trading at 108. Delta is almost 17. It's doing all right. It's doing all right. You were thinking to put um yeah, right here. I mean, it you could go for that potentially. Cuz it is kind of and like it's I don't know. Once again, Matt, you're the king. I just give you support and resistances on it. That is your stock, man. I cannot. I actually yeah, that's a whole lot of chop. Hey, good stuff, Tatiana. Yeah, that's some good profit right there. That's like $120 right there. Oh, you sold two. Hey, but that's a solid, solid. Hey, shout out to D Scurv. Hey, it's like I would not have even pulled this up without him. It was just looking right today. Here, let's see. Just sold the 130. Hey, good stuff. Delta is now at 10. Thanks for the knowledge. Hey, nice, nice. Let's go Palantir. Yeah, Palantir. Hey, it's going for it. All right, so the Palantir is up 100. Delta is just under 18. Yeah, Palantir is doing a thing right now. Yes, teamwork makes the dream work. Let's go. Let's get it. Delta 30. Oh, dang, that thing's moving up, M cents. All right, it's up 108%. It's a good little move. It'd be nice if the SPY followed it too, but hey, we'll take it. Oh, it's up 113 now. Hey, we'll take the push. We'll take it. Honestly, here, let me. What? Now, because I don't have a day trade, oh, hold on, wrong time frame. Let's go up to where are we at? Yeah, now because I don't have a day trade, it's up at 106 right now. I got in for 58. I'm gonna spread mine, make it free. So I just took profit. Yeah, I'm gonna cut out right there. I mean, I still own some Palantir. Like if it runs up a lot, then it is what it is. But So I'm gonna have to say I sold out for about 119, but I actually sold it and made it free. Just so I can just because I don't have day trades, I had to make that free. So it could still keep going. I would have put a stop on it otherwise, but I'm out of day trade, so just took profit on Palantir calls, sold out at 119 per share. Shout out to D Scurv. All right, cool. Yeah, I'll take that for now. It can keep going, but oh, there goes my wife. But yeah, it can keep going. But it could also stop too. Not trying to be greedy, it's a Friday. Oh, hold up. I wasn't even. Oh, hey, family. Just taking the time to notice. Yo, we got 88 people that smashed the like button. We got 108 people on the stream. Can we get at least 12 of you to come through and like smash that like button so we can get this bread again and not be not be in El Salvador. Yes, let's get these swimming pools. Let's get it. All right, Palantir up 7. Wish I would. Hey, I feel that, Matthew. I wish I would have stayed in my 0 DTE, but I got stopped out. Got stopped out in profit, but it was only like $3. How did you get your free trade on Palantir? I did a spread. So what I did was here I can take a screenshot. Like I can't. It doesn't let me show my exact Robinhood, so I can take screenshots of what happened. I can take a screenshot of what it looks like right now. So that's what it looks like. Let me take a picture of the buy. Where are we at? So this is where I bought. And this is where I sold. Okay. All right, and Palantir's still going. All right, real quick, let me see if I can pull that back up. Bro, that's wild. Okay, AT&T, hey, your child is at it again, Matt. They're trying to kill my internet. They are trying to kill my internet. All right, let's see. Oh, shoot. That's a YouTuber I follow, just casually down there in the parking lot. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to go say what's up. I'm gonna have to say what's up. But back to what I was trying to do. What was I gonna say? Think. Oh, let's see. After, where is it? There we go. Okay, so that should be pulled up now. Let me pull up. Oh, it logged me out of Robinhood. Oh no, hold up. Okay. Let me go to my photos. All right, I'm gonna show you what happened now. Should be able to. Okay, let's see. Can we see it? Yeah, we can see it now. All right, so this is a screenshot of what happened here. All right, so right here, this is what me making the Palantir trade free looks like right now. When I look at my when I look at my Robinhood, you can see right here. This is the contract I bought. This 144 call. I paid like 58 for it. And what happened when I took profit and made it free was I sold this 135 against it. So because I had this 144 contract, I was able to sell a strike that was further out of the money against it. And the money that I used for that, or the money that I received for selling it, went back in my pocket. And this did not count as a day trade. So this is what I like about margin accounts. All right, so that was the first one. Let's see. So this was when I bought. So I bought the 144. I paid 58. Guess I got filled at 928. And then I sold the 145 for 105. And then, yeah, I got filled almost 30 minutes later. So that is how I made the trade free. All right, let's see. Okay, I stopped out, doubled my money. Oh, shoot, we hit the likes. Appreciate y'all, family. My money that I risked. Sold my little bonk. Hey, good stuff. Do I go live every day? Every day the market's open. Unless I'm traveling somewhere. I think I've only missed, since I've started, like twice. But most days I'll at least even get on like an hour if I have to do something. If they don't hit the like, I'll top of everyone doing the 52-week challenge. So I'm doing it this week. Nothing has been done. I need to let me publish the video. I still need to make a thumbnail for it, but let me publish it because I feel like if I don't do it now, I'm not going to do it. And I just need it to be published just so it's out there. It's like I keep trying to say, oh, I need to add more to it, but I'm just going to publish it. This one doesn't even have a thumbnail or anything. Let me make that public real quick. All right. Yeah, I appreciate you asking about the 52-week challenge though, because it's like I need to stay up with that, but I need to refund it. That's kind of where I'm at right now. But I'm still about it. So yeah, made that public. Okay. I'm staring at Palantir and I just spit my beer out thinking I missed T jump up. Yeah. Were you did you get on the call, Matt? I don't think so. I don't think you got on the Zoom call, did you? But yeah, we had talked about how like usually when you see consolidation like this with all these wicks, it's charging up for a larger move. Honestly, I would not be surprised if it like this move goes into next week. But yeah, it'll be nice if we get a pullback right now. Like especially if we can get like Palantir right now, looking at it, if it doesn't come back down, there's going to be a fair value gap to like 124. If we can get Palantir to pull back to 124, that might be a good spot for a reload. I don't know. Thank you for explaining Hey, you're very welcome. Thizzle, another thing to know about making it free is that can only be done on like you can only do that on, or actually you might be able to do it on larger accounts. You just need to have a lot more money. You need to have the money to actually own like 100 shares and all that. But yeah, you can do that with margin accounts, just having the shares or the contracts themselves. Hit the like or we ride at dawn. Well, we got the likes where we need it. Hey, we're free. We are free. Hey, y'all see that prison break? All the people for the prison break in New Orleans. That's kind of wild because New Orleans is like right here beside Texas. I think some of them actually were found in Texas. But it's like as long as it's been, yo, some of them, bro, I'd probably be out of the country by now. I'd be down there with D Scurv. D Scurv would be down there trying to turn me in. He'd be like, "Nah, we gotta." He's like, "Ah, no." I actually contacted the people from what is it? Contacted the people from El Salvador. They're actually coming. They're coming over here. Hey, one day, D Scurv, one day. Let's see. Palantir dropping now. You're in Panama, right? Or did I make that up? I know it's somewhere in South America. Hey, stop the Palantir. Evil. I'm still oh no evil. Okay, no evil on Palantir. Hey, let it do its thing. Let's go. Let's not look at it on this 1 hour because that doesn't look good. But let's look on a 15. This is just like a little. It's taking a quick breather and it's gonna go right back up. Water is cool. The weather's hot. Yeah. Panama, Central America. Let's get it. Is it a good time to grab a put on Palantir? Oh, I've kind of learned not to trade against Big Reg. I think the last one I did, it was like Tesla. Yo, it kept going. So it's like whenever Big Reg says something, it's like I think twice. I didn't, unfortunately. Girly went on vacation with the rent, so she had my full attention. Hey, that's good that you're giving her attention. That's usually where relationships go wrong. Were you thinking to get? I'm not doing anything. I'm not making another trade today. Personally, um, I got like 6 miles to run today, and I got like a call after this as well, and I got like eat. So I'm not gonna make any more moves today. You can play the reverse. You just have to look at a shorter time frame. Hey, honestly, I think there is a lot to learn from D Scurb. I think he definitely knows what he's talking about. Um, but yeah, yes, D Scurv. Yes, you can play the reverse, but yeah, look on the lower time frame. Yo, okay, I know some of y'all watch my or some of y'all subscribe to my review channel. I forgot I had like this basketball that like it tracks your shot. Like it tracks like your spin, your arch, your this is so random how I just brought this up, but I just got like a text from the app. But like, it's this basketball. It tracks your shot. It tracks your makes and misses. It can track like it knows the distance you're shooting from. It's like extra cool. I just realized I was gifted a membership and it expires on June 2nd. Have you been enjoying your membership? Yeah, D Scurv, I kind of thought of you when I saw it. If I could send it your way, I would. It's really cool actually. It's kind of pricey though. Hey, honestly, D's curve, like I've gotten like two or three of those like portable ones. This is the first one I would say is actually like, hey, this one's it's more practical. Because what was I gonna say? The little triple screen thing. I think I got it like right over there. It's lighter than the other ones. The other ones were heavy. It's still like I'm not gonna lie, it still has weight to it, but it's like I can actually travel with that. Cause no, it's about the same weight as my laptop. So I'm honestly not sure which one's lighter, my laptop or the screens, but it's like yeah, I actually like those. You said is the screen quality decent? I mean, I think it depends on what you're doing on it. But if you're using it to trade, if you're just watching casual YouTube videos, if you're not like one of those like movie snobs, like I don't know, like somebody like, oh, I need it to be OLED and all that. I think it's great. I don't but I will also say like compared to my laptop screen, which is like really good, I think my laptop, I'm not sure if I either have OLED or mini LED. I don't know what kind of display I have, but it doesn't compare to that. But the color accuracy and everything on these MacBooks, bro, they're kind of crazy. So I can't even. I wouldn't expect it to be that. Like even this Samsung monitor doesn't necessarily look as good as my laptop, but it still looks really good. All right, here. Hey, you have a good day as well, Tatiana. Stay blessed. Also, I have a theory that involves trailing stop loss. I feel like I might be with you on that theory. It's like every time you put them in, it's like they just look at them and they're like, "Oh yeah, let's push it there." You said what brand was that? Here, let me look. I think I here. Let me check real quick. So one thing I can say about like the little triple screen things is like the other like three that I did, they were all different brands, but it was like they were all different brands and it was pretty much just they were the exact same thing. Like it's just they had their brand like slapped on it. This one's actually like different. I don't. Oh, low key, I still got stickers on this. Um, I don't see like branding on it, but I can look at the listing, see where what it is. Let's see. I don't think it's like a specific brand. I think there's a store that sells it on Amazon. It's called LXU, but there's no like branding on it. It's just the product. If you are curious, that's it. But that's it. I remember I used to think it was kind of expensive when I first saw them, but then like I got this curve monitor. I'm like, oh, that's the same. But on the cool, like my wife has like some Amazon monitors that she got like $100. It's like when you look at it from the standpoint of that, it's like, yo, those are kind of pricey. And then I got like another one right here that's portable as well. I'm gonna share this one with you too, just cause if you don't need a bunch, this one was like $50, and it's portable too. Yeah, cause it's like the triple screen is nice, but it's like not necessarily necessary if you don't need like two extra screens. And let me see where we at. Yeah, let me. Oh, Spy trying to push back up too. I think we might be. I think we might come up and test resistance again at least. Probably after I'm gone, but I think we might. Here, I'm gonna actually send a bunch. Okay, so this is a review, I think. So that's one. This is another. Wait. This is another one. And then I'm gonna just stop right there. But I just want you to know there are a bunch for like $50 that are like good portable screens as well. Yeah, we might be riding on up, y'all. Spy needs to stop playing. I think it's just making its way up. Oh, that Palantir call kind of chilled out. That's what happens when you lose momentum. Like we still got a week's worth of time on it. But yeah, whenever you lose momentum, look how much that dropped. Wait, hold up. Okay. Do you have screen for smaller cap stocks? Do I ever? No. So I don't like screen for them. It's like sometimes they'll pop in front of me, but if they are like smaller, like kind of like penny stocks, well, a penny stock is technically like anything that's below $5. So like when it comes to like me owning Honest, I own a penny stock, but I trade smaller cap stocks. Like when it comes to like all of these, like Weeble, Virgin Galactic, Honest, Hims, all those are considered small caps. The most important thing for me is that it actually has trading volume and actually has attention. Very welcome, D-Scurv. They have bets on how fast they find them on the gambling sites. I play Roblox. What was that in reference to? When you said they have bets on how fast they find them? Costco went insane. Dang, I remember somebody talking about Costco earlier. It may have been you. I don't think we like actually looked at it though. I think it was like very distracted. Okay, so they had earnings. So they're still moving up. Okay. They're gonna find it at some point. Yeah, Costco. That's a good day for Costco, like 3%. To basically eliminate risk and loss, there has to be a variable I'm missing, because if the math works out, it would break the market. The math for what? You sound like you're about to say something groundbreaking. All right, so we're pulling back on Palantir right now. I'm not saying it's going to keep pulling back, but I'm saying it is pulling back. Here, let me bring back that AMD check in and see how that's doing. I won't be mad if that wants to come to life too. If we want to just come back and then just like get nasty today. Still did me dirty with that Joby. Oh, we're on a 5 minute here. Let me move up to a 15. Yeah, that's a whole lot of chop. It looked like there was more movement on the lower time frames, but yeah, when you come back up to like 15 is still a low time frame, but yeah, it's a lot of chop going on today. Okay, now we're selling off a little bit. Trailing stop limit order combined with market and oh, okay. I got you. Come back to a 15 on a AMD. Yeah, I would love to see it today around like here. Let me set an alert for 107, but I would love to see it at that 103 level. Basically a set it and forget it option trade. Yeah, anything honestly, if you're gonna set something and forget it and you want to make money with it, you gotta have like a wide stop loss. And in order to have like stop loss, you gotta have some time with it. So it's almost like there is no set it and forget it on the day, because it's like anytime I try to set it and forget it, it's like I set it and they come get it. But with the, I feel like same with the trailing too. And you gotta, if it's an option contract, you gotta be careful with the trailing. It's like you want it to be, you want the contract to be of a certain value before, because it's like if you set like a 10% trailing stop on the option, it's like, and it's $100. It's like nothing for it to pull back 10 cents or 10. If it is nothing for it to pull back $10, but if it's at 1,000 and it's at 10%, okay, it's like it pulls back 100, but that's still like that can happen pretty fast too, with like not that big of a move. So it's kind of tough with the stop with option stop losses. And then if you try to make it wider to something like 20%, that's a lot of slippage. So I'll just say it's tough. But honestly, I feel like I would rather go for a 20% stop loss than or 20% trailing than not, if I had to. Still pulling on back a little bit. I forgot who, but somebody started the stream. I was saying who's ready for a day of chop. Hey, they called it. Oh, I just got a delivery. All right, let's see. Okay. Are you still holding the spy call? Yeah, I'm still holding it. It's like I'm just holding it just in case. Like it nothing may not happen. Nothing may happen to it. It's like if if we end up coming down, I have an AMD put that I'm in that should more than cover what happened with that spy call. But I see that call is sitting at $44. But I think I've kind of offset the losses already for this spy. So if the spy comes up, hey, that's good. But if it comes down, then hey, it just is what it is. You said, but also market buy sell. I'm still trying to wrap my head around this theory. I mean, you can still there's an option to do it with the market levels whenever you trigger like a stop market and whatnot. If that's what you're talking about. Dang, Nvidia. Let me turn away from Palantir for a little bit. Okay, Nvidia's at the trend line. So the question is what's going to happen here? This might be a good spot to either buy Nvidia or just leave it alone. Because this is an area of support. How are we feeling about Nvidia, guys? The ultimate PvP game against the buyers and yeah, that's the stock market for you. So, hey, we either got a solid drop here. Let me put like a secondary trend line here. If we end up crossing that, I might hold up. Might like try to swing a put or something. Let's see if we can. Or let me see if I can match this trend line and just move it down. I'm going to try to put it in the exact same spot. All right, let's see if I can move it down. Come on down. All right. All right, so this is like my second trend line or whatever on Nvidia. If Nvidia ends up touching this today, I guess I'll see what it looks like, and honestly, may be able to like try to go 50-50, like throw half on a call, half on a put for next week. Let me see how much the contracts for Nvidia are going. Okay. So next level below this would be, I mean, it wouldn't be that far if it hit that. So we'll see. Nvidia will bounce back up or consolidate the rest of the day. We'll see. Yeah, it's looking like we're trying to like sell off a little bit. Buy crypto right now, everyone. Hopefully my Pepe goes through the roof. All right, Matt. There we go again. Nvidia. Oh yeah, that it is. That it is. Something to remember. I actually like whenever Nvidia announced their earnings in the aftermarket, I had bought some NVDL and I'm happy because I sold like the shares I had on NVDL like I bought it in the after hours like the day they announced. I was like, "Oh, it's good." And then in the morning before they open, I'm like, "Could they go up?" I'm like, "Yeah, they could." I'm like, "Will they?" I don't know. I'm like, "Let me take profit here." Oh. Yeah, that's a solid option right there too. Yeah. What is this? Oh. Okay, let's see. The guys who escaped prison, they have bets on the. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I've seen that. I just forgot I was talking about it. It's like sometimes I just like start rambling, and then it's like whenever I go on, it's like I just kind of miss it. Nvidia 59 call for. So if me personally, if I'm getting something on a leveraged ETF, because it's a leveraged ETF, usually I'm either gonna off go like right at the money. Oh no, no, yeah, no, that's way too far. Yeah, that's gonna be way too far. That 59 is like the highest from yesterday. I wouldn't. It's like usually you want to target the next level. So from where it's at, Nvidia is at 135. So I would target like maybe 137 or 139 first. But yeah, that level you target is like targeting the top up here at like 144. So I would personally like in that situation, I would say you're better off just grabbing shares. But yeah, because of like leverage ETFs have like kind of a decaying effect, is usually to get them like right at the money. And it's also like usually going to be harder to get in and out of them. So because of that, it's like, or at least with options, it's going to be harder to get in and out of them, which is why I typically like go towards what is it like either towards the money or why I go for the shares. Yeah, I gotta pee again. I'll be back, y'all. Really hydrated right now. All right. Hey, we're back. Okay. Oh, what's going on with that? Okay. You said, yeah, I like battle royales. I would be shocked if VDL does not hit. Oh, you said July 1st. Okay. July 1st is a different story. I was like June 1st. I'm like, I would not be shocked, but yeah. July, yeah, different story. Yeah, it looks like it might be catching some life. We'll see. Reevaluate AMD. Yeah, they look a little different. Yeah, it's been a good Friday. Yeah, it's kind of wild. All right, Palantir's back where it was, or pretty much. Might be able to. Some people might want to run it up again, but nah, I'm gonna leave it. Honestly, if anything looks interesting, like hold up. If anything looks interesting right now, it's Nvidia. Where we at? See what we're looking like on a 5 on Nvidia real quick. I'll probably spend the better part of my weekend paper trading and testing this theory. Think it's theoretically possible. If you do, don't tell the market makers. The last thing I see on Derive AI is a day trade on Amazon. It's a 195 put. It expires next week. Let's see. It's been out for about 30 minutes. Yeah, so, oh wait, hold on. This is a 5-minute chart. So it might be like Amazon targeting, and let's see what the. Yeah, it could be like it looks like it's almost like it's targeting that low on Amazon. Feel like it would hit its goal probably in this range. But that's the last thing I see. GLD, there was a gold trade. There was a trade for a put 32 minutes ago too. And that's kind of like that would be pushing for upside. That's when GLD was at. I thought it used to show the price that the stock was at when it set it to. It's not really showing it though. Here, let me. I think they. Hold up. Yeah, I swear it used to show the price that the stock was at. AEVA. Let's see. Oh, would you look at that? Let's see. They got options. Yeah, they got options, but I'm not trying to trade them now. Now that I looked at them, they got like the monthly contracts. But yeah, they're kind of pushing. They've been on a little continuous, like over here. Wrong tool. They had like a little trend like this. Now it kind of looks like they're doing something like this. Oh, I'm kind of very out there with how I'm drawing it, but Let's see if we tried to, I don't know, do something like this. 157 for the month. Yeah, that's kind of wild. Let's see. Yeesh. Oh, they've been here before. Okay. Hey, my question is, when is Weeble going to do that same thing? Have a blessed weekend. Hey, same. Honestly, yes. Yes, this is a good time. Here, wait. What were we looking at? All right, yeah. So I would like to take this time to say, hey, thank you, each and one of you, every one of you, for stopping by, hopping in on the stream. Oh dang, looks like Palantir's back in motion a little bit. I hope each and every one of you has a blessed weekend, blessed day, all that good stuff. Automotive robotic driving company. Oh, okay. I didn't even know. Hugo, I would say, depending on, as long as you're not like scalping, yeah, I would say it's good. But yeah, yeah. I hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. All right, peace out, D Square. Peace out, I Play Roblox. Peace out, ABB. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, Evil Knievel. Peace out, Hugo. Peace out, George. Peace out, Elegant Boom. Yo, y'all have a blessed weekend. Peace out, Big Reg. Hey, if y'all are this evening, if y'all are looking for something to listen to, hey, Big Reg be going live on his little podcast. Hey, be doing his thing. It's like just chilling with a homie when you're listening to him. If you got anything, need some background noise, want to feel like you're in good company, hey, go check out the podcast. Peace out, Dwight. Peace out, Thizzle. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Yeah. Peace out, Tyler. Peace out, M-Sense. Breakfast and Profits. Hey, good stuff. Oh yeah, shout out to D Scurv. He passed the ball today. Yeah. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Wait, it's going to be some interesting topics tonight too. Hey, love to hear it. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all. Peace out. Let's see.